The tour starts at the Dubai Museum Alley, which is housed in the historic Al Fahidi Fort, also known as the Dubai Fort. Built in 1794, the fort was originally used as a defensive structure to protect the city from invaders. Today, it's a fascinating history that takes you back in time to discover how Dubai was built and how it has transformed into the modern metropolis we know today. After to explore the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood, you'll wander through the winding alleyways of the old city, known as the Heritage District. Here, you'll discover hidden gems like the Dubai Textile Museum, which showcases the city's traditional textile industry. As you continue your walking tour, you'll come across the iconic Dubai frame. This modern architectural marvel is a unique photo frame-shaped structure that offers panoramic views of the city's old and new districts. It's the perfect spot to capture some Instagram-worthy shots and reflect on the incredible journey through time that you've experienced. Next up, get ready to be amazed by the stunning architecture of the Jumeirah Mosque, one of the city's oldest and largest mosques. The mosque is a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, and its intricate design and peaceful atmosphere will leave you feeling inspired and rejuvenated. And the Al Sarkal Avenue, a cultural hub filled with art galleries, independent boutiques, and trendy cafes. As the tour comes to an end, you'll stroll along the picturesque Dubai Creek, taking in the sights and sounds of this historic waterway. You'll have the opportunity to visit the spice souks, where you can purchase fragrant spices and aromatic incense, and the gold souk, where you can admire the glittering gold jewelry and handicrafts. Throughout your walking tour, your expert guide will share fascinating stories and insights about Dubai's rich history, culture, and traditions. They'll take you back in time to the early days of the city, when it was just a small fishing village, and help you understand how Dubai has evolved into the modern-day metropolis it is today. So why choose this tour? Well, it's the perfect way to see the best of Dubai in a more intimate and authentic way. Unlike a typical bus tour, this walking tour allows you to explore the city on foot, which means you'll get to see much more than just the famous landmarks. You'll also get to experience the local culture, meet the friendly people who live here, and try some delicious food. Plus, the tour is led by a team of passionate and knowledgeable guides who are dedicated to showing you the hidden gems of Dubai that most tourists miss. They're also experts in photography, so they'll help you capture the perfect shot to remember your amazing experience. So if you're looking for an unforgettable way to explore Dubai, then look no further. Book your spot on this incredible walking tour today and get ready to discover the true beauty of this amazing city. See you there.